This is my learning log for test 4. It starts on page 41 after Pick's theorem, and it starts with similarity effects of perimeter and area, starting with the popcorn similarity section from our activity book and the generalizations of the ratios of perimeters and areas of similar shapes. And to the left, I have two examples of the ratios of similar shapes of areas, perimeters, and diagonals. And then moving on down, the model for constant area and constant perimeter, the definitions of constant area and perimeter with the banquet table examples, and the area being the number of tables and the number of people being the perimeter. And then to the left, I have some examples from the activity book of dimensions, area, and perimeter, and finding using the formula to find the number of people, the perimeter of the tables. Then on page 43, it starts with surface area, the definition of surface area, lateral area, and base area, and their formulas, the formula for lateral area and the surface area. And then it goes down to the surface area of pyramids and the definitions and formulas of that, the surface area of a pyramid, and then the surface area of a cylinder. And then to the left, I have a little sheet with the surface area formulas of all the different prisms, the pyramid, cylinder, cone, sphere, and lateral area. And then a surface area application problem from our activity book, finding the surface area of a rectangular prism. Then on page 45, it continues with the surface area of a cylinder and its formula, and then goes down to the surface area of a cone and its formula and the explanations of those. And then the last one being the surface area of a sphere and its formula. And to the left, I have another application problem for the surface area of a triangular prism. And then on page 47, it has volume, the definition of volume, and the formulas for volume. And then the formulas for the volumes of a cylinder, pyramid, cone, cylinder, and sphere. And their formulas highlighted on the page. And then to the left, I have a formula for finding the volume of a cylinder from the activity book, and then the volume formulas for all the different prisms. And then the last thing is the building views and the isometric drawings and the foundation mat for the cubes. So to the left, I had the foundation mat, the isometric 3D drawing, and then the top, right, and front views of the cubes, and then the surface area and the volume of the cubes. And page 47 is the last page.